A big hello to all the dads out there. Today we'll make jam for the children. To be a super dad, you have to make something unique. So today we are going to make jam made out of tomatoes. Yes, tomatoes. So let's see how to go about it. Step number 1, you need to have nice red juicy tomatoes. Now to see to it that it is perfectly red, no yellow colors, and it has to be a little soft. So it's better that it gets better when you cook it. Second step is to boil these tomatoes till the skin gets a little crumpled and it starts tearing off. That is the point you need to stop. Till then keep on boiling. See to it becomes nice and soft, because we'll have to make a puree out of it. Once the skin is tearing, stop boiling it, remove it from the gas, let it cool down, and then remove the skin. And see to it that you remove the hard parts if there are. Remove that off also. And keep it separately for some time, let it cool down. Then pour it in a mixie and make a puree out of it. Next step is to put this puree in a nice vessel, heat it up, nicely give it a nice boil. See to it is boiling. Once it starts boiling, add sugar. Now sugar is very important at this point of time, because if you add extra sugar it becomes too sweet, and if you put less sugar it makes like a sauce. It will taste like a sauce, so you really don't want that. So the sugar has to be like around 3/4 of the amount of tomatoes that you have taken. So if you have taken say like 1 kg tomatoes you're using, see to it that you are using like 700 or 800 grams more or less. And you can also add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon juice is optional, and you can also add little Dalchini powder just to get that flavor, that aroma that you need. And then see to it that you're stirring it. Keep on stirring it, because the sugar tends to crystallize. Secondly, when you're stirring it, stir it till you get that kind of texture of a jam. You have tasted jam, so you know. So let it reach that texture, and then put it up for the gas. Put it in a nice glass jar. The fastest and the simplest way, and I'm telling you the children are going to love this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put some comments. If you have made this, you prepare this dish, do let me know. Take care. Hi, a big hello to all the dads out there. I hope you like the video, and this channel is for all the dads, of the dads, and by a dad. This channel is made to make you a superhero in the eyes of your children. I can help you with cooking different kinds of foods, different kinds of drawings. I can give you health tips, everything. But then I need more and more subscription. So I want all the fathers out there to be a super dad, be the knight in a shining armor. So be a super dad, be a knight, be a dad knight.